What's up guys, welcome back with me Nike Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 6 trophies. So let's check it out. As you can see on the first sample, you can see on the marking area here there is a lot more opening, but there is an opening between the midsole and the outsole here, and also the gap between the Nike swoosh and the stitching here is crooked. It's a little bit narrow on the fake one than the authentic one. The gap is wider on the authentic. Another sample again, you can see the gap here. There's no gap between the stitching and the Nike swoosh here compared to the authentic. And look at on the forefoot, you can see on the outsole here there is less speckles on the fake one than the authentic one. And this one also, the eyelets isn't centered. This should be placed right in the middle like the authentic. This one is slightly go down. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, there is a lot more glue stain on top of the midsole, and also the stitching here. You can see on my pointer, the gap is too narrow. There is almost no gap here. The stitching is crooked, and this one also on the marking area, the eyelet is slightly to the right. This one is a little bit off between the upper line and the bottom line here. Should be connect like the authentic here. Another sample, this one you can see is very clear. This one doesn't connect like the authentic here. It's a lot more gap here. Moving to the back of the shoes, there is a lot of opening. You can see, and there is a glue stain right here. And this one also, there is a white glue stain. It's looking dirty, and this one there is a opening between the midsole and the outsole. This one, the design here slightly go down. There is no gap on the fake one. Then the authentic one, there is a little bit gap. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.